Hi, my name is Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and professional adventurer. Today I'm going to show you how to get a fire started with the lowly Q-tip. How do you get a fire started with a lowly Q-tip? Well, that's what I'm going to show you in this video today. In a pinch, in an emergency, and you can't get a fire started, but perhaps you have access to the lowly Q-tip and just to a sparker or even a dead lighter that can still throw a spark, you know, this sort of thing, then we can get that started. So what I'm going to do is set this up in my truck bed and show you how we can get an open flame going with a Q-tip. So in order to get this lowly Q-tip to try and light this grass, and grass isn't very good because it's not that dense. It needs to have air, but it's a bit of a challenge. So what you do in the Q-tip is you shred and pull that cotton apart, and you want to get it as fuzzy as possible, but you've got one shot, you're going to want to take apart the other end of the Q-tip too and begin unrolling it and opening it up. But you want to get it fuzzy. So you've got, here you go, as much fuzz as you can. Not too much oxygen. You need it dense enough. But if it's too dense, it won't burn. That's kind of the funny thing about this whole operation. And so now I've got that fuzzed out here as much as I can. And then what I'm going to do is put this in my pan. And I'm going to try and light my grass on fire. Grass isn't that great, so we'll see what happens. I can get my grass dense enough. But what we do is we just simply put the flint inside of the cotton, because if it's inside the cotton, it's much easier to get it lit. But I have to have this grass ready to go, so I only have a few seconds of open flame in order to get my grass ignited, so it's a kind of an exciting moment. So instead of just single sparking, what I do is I go crazy and just power it. Okay, there we go. Come on, grass. Woo! Fire. Okay, whoa! There we go. Open flame. Nice! And you can get a fire started with that with simply a lowly Q-tip. And check it out. I'm gonna start roasting marshmallows here. So there you go. I obviously had plenty of fire, and I got that started with simply a Q-tip and a couple of strikes from my handy flint striker that has never failed me in minus 40 degrees at 20,000 feet or wherever. These things work, and just a Q-tip, I was able to get an open flame going. Now, do know, here's a caveat, you can't have any breeze. If there's any breeze blowing around, it will blow the flame away and you won't be able to get the grass started. So just note, you gotta get in a position where you're hid from any swirling breeze, and it makes it much easier to get this started. I mean, this is like having a single match, but you know, just something to consider when you're trying to make fire from a Q-tip. So there you go. My name's Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and professional adventurer. Please like with the Q-tip and comment on the video and let me know how I'm doing. And also, if you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.